Hello, my name's Daniel here at Stafford Land Rover, and today I'm going to be taking you around this approved used Range Rover Sport Dynamic SE finished in Varesine blue. This D300 model features the 3-litre mild hybrid diesel engine paired with the automatic transmission. It's a very stylish looking SUV, sitting very nicely on 22-inch alloy wheels. And it also features pixel LED headlights which light up the road nicely. Taking a look in the boot, you'll find 970 litres of space. This can be increased to 1,827 litres with the rear seats down. Taking a look inside to the rear, you have your beautiful two-tone interior. It features ISOFIX points on the outer seats, allowing you to easily fit a child seat into the vehicle. Up front you have your leather-wrapped multifunction steering wheel. Moving around and up top, this Sport features the panoramic sunroof, allowing sunlight to flood the interior. Moving to your front seats, and you do have plenty of adjustment in the driver's seat, so you can easily find the perfect driving position. On the multifunction steering wheel to the left, there's controls to adjust the infotainment system, and to the right you have your cruise control. You have the display here in the instrument cluster with access to a range of different driving data, and you can also customize the information shown on the display to suit your own preference. Centered here in the dashboard, you have the Privy Pro touchscreen display, providing you with access to a range of different features like DAB radio. You can connect up your phone using Bluetooth, and there's also Apple CarPlay and Android Auto compatibility, keeping you well connected while on the go. There's also built-in navigation to ensure you're never lost, allowing you to head to all new places with ease. Also on the display, you'll find your dual zone automatic climate control, which includes heated front seats to keep you nice and warm on those colder days. This Sport comes with front and rear parking sensors, a 360 camera with 3D view, making parking super easy for you. In the centre console you have your automatic gear selector along with a range of compartments. Thanks for watching this walk around video of this approved used Range Rover Sport Dynamic SE. For more information, please get in contact with a member of our sales team who will be more than happy to help with your inquiry.